Working with a team, that's great. But is your data safe? Research says about 72% of departing employees admit stealing data from the company. That's why Hylyt introduces IP protection and knowledge transfer, features that will keep your data completely safe. Let's see how. Click on App User. Then click on the active icon. Click on Yes to make the user inactive. This feature is IP protection. It will take away all the data from ex-employee. Let's talk about knowledge transfer. Click on Modify User. Enter the email ID of the new employee and click Save Changes. All the data will be transferred from ex-employee to new employee. There are more such amazing features in Hylyt. Visit our website to know more.